Hello everybody, this is the Xposure International Photography Festival in Sharjah in the United Arab Emirates. I've been privileged enough to be here training and speaking and meeting some of the most inspiring photographers you could ever wish to meet. It is an astonishing event. I've even had the honour and the privilege to be introduced to Sheikh Sultan bin Ahmed Al Qasimi, one of the guys behind this entire event. It is off the scale, in its scale. It is so inspiring for photographers and the public, the people who come here to see this breathtaking imagery. I don't know if I can turn and get the exposure. Look at this, Will Burrard Smith, absolutely incredible. Will Burrard Lucas, I'm so sorry. I have met so many people here. It's unbelievable. Look at this work that I'm surrounded by. And not only that, there is a whole host of world-class photographers that I'm mixing with. The Xposure International Photography Festival is just off the scale. If you ever get a chance to come here, please come. And as I say, I'm totally privileged and honoured to have been here. This is Frans Lansing's work that we're walking through here. There are so many of these galleries. There are so many inspiring people from world-class photojournalists. Look at that. Look, I just mentioned the names and there they are. Will Burrard Lucas and Frans Lansing, the men behind those images. It's been a pleasure to meet you guys. I just want to say thank you. It's been awesome. I'm going to leave you in peace because I know you're off any minute, aren't you? Thanks, guys. Bye. That's what I mean. It's like I'm walking around here and bumping into my heroes. Outside, we have got huge life-size pictures, of each of us all down the street. I am privileged, honoured, and blown away to be here. My thing, as you probably know, is about helping photographers think like photographers. It's about sharing a little bit of the beauty in the world around us, and through our images and our stories, maybe helping other people experience the world just a little tiny bit differently. And this, I would say, is an incredible place to come and be inspired. So I will be releasing some videos about this, about being here. I'm a little bit shell-shocked and blown away to be in such extraordinary company. I'm on a flight tonight off to Cambodia, running the Mekong and Angkor workshop. I'm sorry, I'm speechless and blown away by everything that has happened in being here. So I know I'm waffling and rambling. I'll be posting some stuff from that workshop and sharing some images with you guys from there. I don't think there's much more I could say here, but I did just want to say to you lovely folks who follow me and look at what I'm up to, that it has been such an honour and a privilege and an emotional journey. There have been speakers here that have talked about their work. I've just been in tears listening to them. I have learnt so much from speaking to people. I've got to know Esther Suarez, who is a multiple Pulitzer Award-winning journalist. We did an interview yesterday, and that will be on this channel fairly soon. But I wanted to touch base with you, do a brief blog post. I'm tired and exhausted. Some of the days have been 18 hours long. Nonetheless, running on adrenaline. I've got a long flight tonight and I will sleep on that. Be well, be happy, and I'll speak to you soon.